16 hardworking and tenacious young women finished as the second best team in Kingston with a 12-1 regular season, earning the team a back-to-back appearance in the City CASA Finals once again this year. So to answer our question from our first day of tryouts, yes we can and yes we did. The junior girls brought home the silver medal from CASA, adding to their already impressive resume, including the Brockville Invitational Championship banner, silver finishes for both the St. Mary's Invitational and Regi Invitational tournaments, and a third place finish at this year's EOSA tournament. During our road trips this season, it was not uncommon for referees and parents of other teams to offer comments to both coaches about the level of sportsmanship, heart, and positivity that the team demonstrated on and off the court. This is a true reflection of this dynamic and truly dedicated group of athletes. When we were asked to select our MVP this year, both coaches struggled to choose a single recipient for this award because of the level of dedication, hard work, and talent we had the privilege of working with every day. As a result, this year, Ms. Schaefer and I are very excited to have co-MVPs. Our two recipients this year both demonstrate grit and resilience. Both of these athletes lead by example and offer encouragement to their teammates during practices and games. When faced with challenges, both of our MVPs knew how to keep their cool and would always find a way to bring the team back up to the potential we all knew was possible. Both of this year's MVPs have been recognized by coaches and officials as two of the top junior volleyball players in this region. We think it's safe to say that both of these young women have incredibly bright futures ahead of them in the sport of volleyball. It is our pleasure to congratulate our most deserving co-MVPs for this year's junior girls volleyball team, to Katrina Babcock and Piper Connor.
Yeah! What? So